See that one right there?
Yeah.
Jack's here to check out his next car.
Yeah, right.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. We got a great episode for you today. That white C6 wide body Pro Charge car goes on the dyno. Now that car is not one we built, so we don't know a whole lot about it other than what the customer told us. I'm not sure if he bought it from someone that way or whatnot, but brought it into us to be tuned. We had to go over some things, some wiring issues, and then obviously we got it tuned. Also, the much anticipated Z28 hits the dyno, makes really good numbers, especially for a stock intake manifold, and cats as well. The customer wanted to keep it very streetable, not too crazy, and I think it definitely achieved that. We also have a 2018 Camaro go on the dyno with an Edelbrock E-Force supercharger. Now, we haven't really had good luck with these in the past, but customer did it himself, brought it in, car's bone stock with just the blower, and we got it tuned. Still made some pretty good numbers though. And we have a guest appearance from Dirty Max Jack and his wife, who came by actually to bring Fran his drag radials, but we had to do a little clickbait and show him Fran's new car, so that's in the episode as well. We're just trying to convince him to get another C6 Z06. I think you guys should do the same. Convince him. And lastly, the C7 Z06 that Eric's been working on fires up for the first time, and we also get the roll cage installed in that. That car is going to be an animal, so make sure you're subscribing. Let's get the episode started.
Doing my job over there?
Texting Matt pics. What?
This is your throttle position
Right.
and a CAN bus, I think, for the Holly.
Coming on the home stretch.
Yep. Accelerator position, pedal position.
There you go. And then seats got to come out for the cage.
Yeah, it's gonna run first.
Okay. So Fran's got to do all the flashing and stuff, and then we'll start her up. So this 18 Camaro.
Yes, it is. 5,000 miles.
Yeah.
It's literally bone stock with the blower.
Yeah. Manifold, cats, everything.
Yeah.
So
It is stock as they come. So we'll see what it makes. I don't know what it's pulleyed for or anything. I would assume it's probably going to make 6 or 7 pounds, is my guess. I guess we're about to find out here in a few minutes.
you're not a huge fan of these blowers, are you?
I am not. I have not had good luck with them in the past. Granted, I have only used them maybe once or twice.
Okay. That was enough.
Was enough.
Well, hey, maybe it's better now.
The first time, whatever, I think it was on like a C6 Grand Sport we did. I don't know if it's just because like the blower is so loud or whatnot, but the car, like I could not get it to stop reading knock. And like the car wasn't knocking because it had like 10 degrees of timing in it. There's like no possible way it was knocking, but it was reading like 8 degrees of knock. And I don't know if it's because the blower was like loud internally that the engine was thinking it was knocking or whatnot, but I could not get it to stop. So the car didn't make any power because I'm not going to desensitize the knock sensors just so that you can like run a blower. That's defeating the purpose of having knock sensors.
The blower should have been designed not to do that.
Correct.
Makes sense. Hopefully that's not the case today.
I hope not.
First LT1 I've seen.
LT Edelbrock, yes.
Yeah.
First, probably one that I've tuned, I would assume.
Obviously, we didn't base on it because this guy did his own thing, but we've seen from manual 17 and 18 LT1s that they do what, like 420-ish in that neighborhood.
I don't know. You guys have done more than me.
Yeah, we know. It's kind of what I was getting
I was
at.
gonna say, I don't ever
You don't really
baseline.
do the baseline thing.
Yeah.
So manual LT1 usually dyno around 420. Auto, about 400, 390. So I was thinking okay power. I mean,
550 on 8 pounds.
it's not bad. 120.
It peaks at about 9 pounds though, but it don't make that until like way up high. It kind of like flattens off and then kind of goes up at the end. So it makes about 8 pounds.
Okay. Not too horrible.
Bone stock car with a blower?
Yeah. It's not really that bad.
Nah.
How is the blower behaving?
It's okay, I guess.
No knock issues like before?
I mean, LT1s have some knock issues to begin with, but it's okay.
That's good.
You just gotta work around it.
Jack's here to check out his next car.
Yeah, right.
My next car.
Your next car. That's right. He sold his C6 to get an
Tell him
C6.
what you want. They'll respect your decision.
Oh, I want to get a CL1 Camaro.
Okay.
White, but I want to wrap it Tiffany blue.
Like this one?
So Tiffany blue. Like
That's
like the little tiny blue box.
her shirt's like Tiffany's.
Yeah, my shirt's like Tiffany, more like a Tiffany blue.
She
Like
wants
a
it.
little box,
She
I
wants
like ZL1.
but a big box.
Yeah, she
ZL1's a nice.
And it would be cool, like the 10 speed.
Put a white
she could go out
stripe
and
on
lift
it.
it, and I could take it to the track and have fun with it. Track like.
Oh, you want a
consistent times.
6th gen ZL1?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we built this thing 8 years ago. In 2010 we built it. We made 1,070 at the tire then. On pump on 93 and max.
Wow.
Yeah, we built it when it had like 900 miles on it, when it was like brand new. The guy just bought it, and now it's got.
And you bought it off the same guy?
Yep. Yeah.
This is yours now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's got like 13,000 miles. License plate says Sleeper 09, and that was like his whole thing. He didn't want
Anybody
anyone
to
to
know
tell
what's going
anything.
on.
Dude, you should hear it. It's fucking dead quiet.
Really?
It's got the original tires on it. Like, look, he wanted no gauges or nothing in the center console or like anywhere. So we like custom molded the whole thing into the boost controller, a boost by gear and shit in the center, and
yeah.
2 gauges up there, and
Total sleeper.
Boost
Yeah.
activated cutouts.
yeah, it's got boost activated cutouts and
Really?
shit on it.
Nice.
Yeah, dude, it's like super.
You guys went
super
to the
quiet.
wall.
Yeah.
And you wouldn't expect it looking at it.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here.
how it is.
Say hi.
Hey, bud.
Say hi.
Lift me up.
And there's a
I'm
little
a
one.
little guy. Hey, bud.
That's Ozzy.
Hey.
Otto and
What are
Ozzy.
you doing? Dude, he is so.
Oh, dude, he's the man.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Hey.
Come here.
You smell my dogs, don't you?
Otto.
Ay.
Yeah, I gotta go meet. It was great seeing you,
Sir,
brother.
you too.
Too
Bye,
bad.
babe. I'll hit you up
Man.
later.
Absolutely.
See you guys.
He's just hanging
Come on,
out.
doggy.
We'll keep them. We'll keep them.
Dirty matches are off.
Well, that was easy, I guess. We'll know for the next one.
Yeah, I don't know how to see that.
Eric?
I'm pretty sure I said that.
Said what?
He gets almost
Because I'm waiting for him to be like, oh, I told you there was a brown. I
knew that was there.
He gets so worked up. So now, cage time?
Yep.
Is it just a black cage? Heads cam?
Yes. It's already got exhaust and an intake.
I guess you guys baselined it Friday when I wasn't here, so I'll just put up a graph. Yeah.
Yeah, boy. At least I should have this done by
Friday?
what's tomorrow, Wednesday?
Yeah.
Be done Thursday.
Want to bet? Yeah? I hope they add a clutch to the mix, so then you're not done.
Why are you filming this?
Because it's the most productive you've been in a while.
Oh.
What are you doing this little CTSV?
Yeah, just doing some headers on it right now, so just kind of cleaning everything up right now.
Hey, I got it.
What you got there? Little extensions?
Some extensions. I might have to lower this down so I can actually reach them.
Okay. Yeah, so stock manifolds, the O2s get plugged fairly high. Because the
right here?
manifolds, well, yeah. Manifolds are, well, this had
I had cat deletes.
cat
on there.
deletes, so.
But they were going to the stock exhaust.
Sure.
So.
So when you do set up like long tube headers, the O2s are further away, so usually you have to use an extension.
And they
such
provide
as
them.
Thus. So the American Racing System's really nice.
Grab my light.
Male to
The wrong
female,
way.
not male to male.
It's the way you like it. Male to male.
You love male to male.
So what it's gonna make? Like final number?
598.
I was gonna say 602. Stock intake manifold, stock intake, and throttle body. Car heads cam. Cats. So probably in your neighborhood.
It's in my neighborhood just because I'm right, and that's what it's gonna make.
No, because you control the tune.
Yeah, but I don't ever have that limit whether I win or lose. I just have it make what it's gonna make, buddy. Know what I mean?
I do. Hey, buddy.
So,
Having fun?
yeah, tons of it, man. Tons of it.
Let's take a look at the door bars. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so humid.
There you have it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. As always, if you did, hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribing. Next week, I'll give you a little preview. This C6 is hitting the dyno. We just finished up the heads cam on that. The silver C6 that Matt was working on, that is also hitting the dyno. We get started on that yellow C7 Grand Sport. Also, we baseline a certain Eagles player's new project car. You're not going to want to miss it. Subscribe. We'll see you next week.